What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We'll be doing a live trading session, live analysis, live discussion about trading psychology, fundamental and technical aspect of trading. So today, as usual, this is the NFP week. As you know that today is also there is a news coming up. We'll be covering all of them. Now before I begin this session, as usual, give a big thumbs up, smash the like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. We'll be looking at all the pairs currently showing trading opportunity. As you can see that the market is very volatile. Early in pre London session live, we also open trade on gold. Now let me see what gold is doing. I was just looking at that one in the beginning, and we see that gold in fact showing potential trading opportunity. We see there was a massive movement to the upside from this level, rejected. What I think that gold again coming down for another pullback might give us another opportunity. I'm waiting for an entry on gold. What I see that gold has broken to the upside. We could see that gold again coming down and testing these levels here. So there is a high probability for gold to give us a potential trading opportunity. Now we can see this is a massive move to the upside, now coming down for a deeper pullback which is expected, and I'm expecting gold to give us another trading opportunity. So let's see. You can see this is the 5 minutes time frame, and gold in fact consolidating in that zone now on the 5 minutes, and I'm expecting gold to give us an entry like we did in our pre-London session live. And once you will see that entry, what I'm looking at is to find a suitable entry with a strong liquidity gap. At this point, if you look at the bigger picture, a bit more bigger picture, not that much of. So if we look at 15 minutes, okay, this is what I was looking at on the 15 minutes time frame. The price after this strong move coming down for a deeper pullback. Okay, so pullback phase is important because after a movement we can expect the price to come down for a deeper pullback. This is where we can find an entry opportunity on gold. It is still bullish as the news is coming later today. Now you can see that this is the 4-hour candle. The price has broken the daily low. Okay, so you saw the daily low is broken, and with that daily breakout from the daily low, okay, we have seen that gold immediately had rejected. Now if you watch our pre-London session live, this is what I mentioned, that gold might be breaking the daily low, and then we could see the market again bouncing towards the upside, and gold did that. Gold has a bounce from this daily support. Now with that strong liquidity gap, the price has gone up. From the 1-hour perspective, we can see that clean movement to the upside on gold, okay, from this significant level of support. Now again coming down for a deeper pullback. I think that we might see further movement to the upside on gold in the upcoming session. So we'll keep eye on this a bit more clearly, how we can find trading opportunity to see. As you can see that this is the 5 minutes chart where we can see the market has broken down initially, which is in fact now slowly rejecting. Okay, so we could see that continuation to the upside. If you look at this, this is the 15 minutes chart. Okay, a very important price action. 15 minutes also a very important time frame. Day trade, a lot of day trader trade on 15 minutes, which is a very good price action. And let me see, also on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so we see that gold, you can see after testing this level, the price now slowly trying to create a bullish pattern. Let me see how much it might come down. Okay, this is a very strong bullish move, and we may see any time it will turn to be bullish again. Okay, so from this 5 minutes you can see that once the price tested this 20 EMA, it is again rejecting, and this is a crucial level of support on the 5 minutes time frame. You can see quite a few candles has been rejected from this level. I think that if the price managed to break this coming down, we should be able to see potential trading opportunity on gold from the 5 minutes. So we'll keep watching for an entry. As you have seen, we sometimes find a very good entry, and that's what we need for trading. Looking for a very good entry is very important, so that we have high probability trade setup. Okay, so trading is all about probability. As you know, that the higher the probability, the better chance of winning the trade. So we look for the best high probability trade setup. Now this 5 minutes candle is closing kind of dodgy. Okay, let me see how it is doing here. I think we might see a little. I want to see that the price has tested this support, which if we look at the 15 minutes, we can see that there we can see potentially price slowly, we might see a little bit of consolidation here on the lower time frame. Okay, so we'll keep that on the list. In the meantime, guys, don't hesitate to ask me any question. Let me know in the chat. Welcome everyone. Tau, welcome back again, coach. Thank you, Tau, for being here. We see that gold, in fact, significantly bullish now, but it reached in an important level. Let's see how it does here. Harry, good afternoon, coach. The trading, thank you very much, Harry. Richely, good evening, coach. How are you today? I'm very good, thank you, Richely. V gold, can we have a look at Usdjpy? Absolutely, we'll be looking at that. I think gold will move downward, coach. Yeah, absolutely, thank you. Yeah, absolutely, we see that. Okay, now with the news, what I think that I think it will grab liquidity, and then we could see that move. Now let's look at the daily. As you can see, daily price action on gold, for me it's bullish. Okay, now how do I consider it as a bullish is if you look at this daily support level here. Okay, previous day there is a middleman, not fully textbook, but it's a middleman. Okay, and today we saw the price has just broken this daily support, grab liquidity, and we saw that there is a strong rejection. The strength of the candle is highly bullish, so we could see that gold is going to hit that daily 20 ms. So I will wait for an entry from the support level, okay, because highly likely that with the news we might see, what I think that with the news we might see the price coming to the test this 20 EMA on the 15 minutes, completing an inverted head and shoulder, and then we could see continuation to the upside, okay, so which is a very high probability to happen that way. So I will be waiting for that spike to happen. So if we look at the news calendar, we can see how news is going. Let me look at the Forex factory. Okay, looking at the calendar. So what do you see that 10:15, okay, 2 minutes later, ADP non-farm employment change, pretty important news, just 30 seconds remaining, and then 10:30 unemployment claim. Both are pretty important. And you know, as you can see, the market, the way we see the price action, for me there could be spike to the downside, very highly likely. Let's keep the 15 minutes on gold to see, because this candle afterwards we will see that that market is moving in that direction. So okay, the dimension is coming down. I think that the price is likely to test this. Okay, yep, that's what it is. That's a massive liquidity grab. Okay, let's see which way it is trying to be heading. It's very important to look at. So the price on the daily support level again. So if we look at that, you can see this is the support. From 4 hour, you can see that the market, okay, cross this high. Didn't test this part of this long wick candle, so there is a probability for a retest. some important level of support. So I think that slowly it will turn to be bullish. This is a very strongly bullish market, and from the daily, for me, I think that the gold will try to move to the upside again to test this daily 20 EMA. So still this 5 minutes candle. Okay, so we see that after this impulse, this is the 1 hour chart, the price has come to the support level, so which is still bullish. For me, it's still bullish. If we look at that level here on, so you see another candle. Okay, might come down to test this neckline, which is very important level. Let's see. So the result we have seen is there is another one 1030 coming, as you know that will change the game. So we see that, which is good for DXY. It's okay. ADP non-farm employment change forecast was 173k. Actually is way more than the forecast, which is very positive for DXY. And as a result, we saw that, which in fact impacted the gold, and that's why we see that movement happen. Now from the, if we look at, and that's why we see that move coming up on gold, and the next one will be really a game changer, because this one also, if it is good for DXY, we might see that the move is a bit stronger. But from technical perspective, this is a neckline of this smart money area here. The smart money bought from this level. I think that the price will come back down and hit that, and then we could see that move coming up again towards the upside. Okay, so if you look at the daily, you can see the daily today so far the price reached that resistance, has come to that level below the daily low. It might come to the hit that same level or breaking this low. I think we'll see again reverting back to the upside. Okay, so 4 hour, you can see that the price now coming down. The price didn't test this level before. This gap is filling now. Now the next news is in 8 minutes time. Will very important, and then we'll see where we can find an entry. In the meantime, let me know your thought on the live chat. Euro dollar, yeah, absolutely look at that. US30, Kevin managed. AJ looks highly bearish. Yeah, please look at euro dollar, coach. Yeah, Arjun, yeah, absolutely look at that. Noami, good morning. Noami, thank you very much for being here. So we'll be looking at euro dollar. Okay, Okay, so euro dollar, with the news, as I mentioned earlier, bounce from here, has gone to the level. And okay, so we saw that euro dollar, this 5 minutes candle is a bearish candle. Okay, this is a liquidity grab and bearish candle. All right, so 15 minutes. So euro dollar, because you can see the dollar getting stronger, so euro dollar, you see the drop coming. 4-hour candle closing in a couple of minutes. So let me see which way the market is heading. Now you have seen my analysis early today. This is what, if you have seen that, you have understood now why the market doing like that. Okay, if you haven't watched that early today on euro dollar analysis, you can watch that. So I'll recommend you to watch that if you haven't done yet. Okay, and make sure guys, you know, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out, so that you don't miss any of the content that we are releasing. Make sure you watch that and also subscribe to the channel. Now euro dollar, you can see that okay, so you see that on so from 4-hour after support, coming to the support, we see that bounce. Okay, Eurujpy also, we had a trade today early, we closed it, which is, let me see what it is trying to do. So euro, looking at euro dollar, is still not showing strong bearish. Okay, now if you look at lower time frame, coming to the support, there is a probability for upside, like the gold. Okay, gold has, I'm coming back to gold, 5 minutes. Now the next news will really give a bit more clearer idea. So before the next news, let's look at all the pairs, how they are doing. Okay, to see CAD CHF. Okay, CAD CHF might break out. Okay, CAD CHF, if you look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly, this is a, you know, strongly bullish market. Okay, if you look at the monthly, this is the monthly candle just closed today, and I think that CAD CHF might, you know, change its trend. The way I see the price action, for me, it's a massively turning to a bullish market. So we might see this one going to the upside. If we look at the weekly closing today, which is also, for me, form a reversal pattern here along this area, we can expect CAD CHF to be bullish. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, this daily candle, you can see there is a you know, a long wick here, which is a middleman, and from this daily 20 EMA, the price is forming bullish market structure. So from the lower time frame, we have seen the market has formed a strong impulse consolidation. The price grabbed liquidity from the support, tested this neckline of this previous resistance, turn support. I think CAD CHF may have a very strong momentum if it managed to break, and we could see that a change of trend on this one, so that could lead, you know, good movement to the upside on CAD CHF. Okay, so in 31 minutes it's closing. I might open a swing trade. Let me see. Okay, the only issue here is that weekly 20 MA. Okay, let me see monthly. Okay, so from lower time frame, I'll wait for a little down, because I think you see there is an imbalance here above this doji, and below this there is a little bit of imbalance. I think there might be another way to do a drop, and then we could see that the market finally has moved. This is a bull market. Okay, I think it will try to break again. You can see now coming down. It might try to break again, and I think it will test this doji. Okay, and then we could see that finally going up. I'll try to ride the trend with the CAD CHF. I think it will make a very strong bullish price action. Okay, Eurujpy, Euro AUD. Let me see. Just looking at all of them. Euro CAD also bearish. Okay, going back to gold again. Let me show that bounce. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so the gold bounced. Let me see, as expected. You can find an entry. Okay, so with gold, as the next news is coming, okay, it's released, right? It's pending. Okay, 232, which is a bit more less than expected. That again revert back. Okay, so we see that next one is negative for gold. Next one is, yeah, so we show that movement. Okay, so I'll be going long on gold. Go long on gold. Stop loss below this low. I'll explain later what strategy I'm using. And take profit. I will take at daily 20 MA, which is almost nearly 2 to 2.5 risk to reward. And I'll send the same trade to the students as well. Gold. Okay, so I'll explain why I have opened. Main, take profit, stop loss. Okay, so all right, so once open, it's pretty exciting, isn't it? Give a big thumbs up, guys. Let's see how it does. Make sure that everything here is only for educational purpose. Forex Trading Wizard Academy is to help traders to learn trading. Anything can happen. It might turn to bearish or it might continue to rise, so depending on the market situation, but we have a bigger profit target. So if in case it doesn't work out, we are all good. Once you see that if the market move in the direction that you are expecting, we will be moving the stop loss and we'll take some profit out of the table. So let's see, I'm expecting it to bounce towards the upside. Let me see, if we look at the 1 hour, we can see that this market in fact very strongly bullish. I will explain full analysis including the strategies. First, let's see how it is trying to do. I think that the market we see that bullish move should be coming up. Okay guys, so in the meantime, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. All right, let's see. All right, I'm running in profit. Okay, are you enjoying, guys? Yeah, gold is going up. Thumbs up. Let's see. I'll see some bugs in the account for long term. We haven't seen that. Okay, so it's going up, and I'm expecting it to give me the full profit on this one. So I'm expecting gold to go to the daily 20 EMA. I'll explain in detail why I have opened buy. If it managed to break to the upside, we should be able to see that spike coming to the upside, and then looks like from the directional perspective we are right. Okay guys, hold on it. Okay, so you got that going in the profit. Now this is the thing here, is it coming down back again? Okay, so let's hold on to it. Now from the 1 hour, still 19 minutes remaining, and yeah, I'll hold on to it because I'm still, I'll hold on to it. Let's see. So you're long on gold, and now if you want to learn the strategy that I am trading gold, euro dollar, GBP USD, be part of this trading community, be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. To be a trading wizard, you can join us. There's a link in the description area, and also there's a link at the top of the chat. Click the link, visit the website, and then click join now button. So to access everything, I would recommend you to join the lifetime access plan to be part of this Forex Trading Wizard Academy for the rest of your life. So let's see what I see, that gold at this point have come to an important zone, and from this level we might see some downside pullback, but I want to hold on to it. Okay, don't want to do anything yet. Now this 5 minutes candle close is crucial because I want to see that this one closed as a long wick at the bottom. Okay, which the market may not listen to me, but what we are expecting, and then we should be able to see the next one again moving towards the upside. So let's see. The price action on the 15 minutes also looks to me bullish. Okay, so if you look at the 1 hour, what do you see that from the 1 hour? Yeah, that's a long wick candle. Okay, so this is what I was expecting. There's a, if we see that, that's a long week candle, higher low here, okay, and then we should be able to see the market moving upside from that level or after retest again, okay, which is forming that long week candle that we are expecting. Okay, so gold. So after we see this structure established, we might be able to see the move the stop loss at entry, but for the time being I want to give a little more time to the trade to develop. So let the trade on and let me know in the chat which one you are looking at. Okay, so thank you very much. And the course Nizam, okay, thank you very much. Tell gold entry please. Yeah, we have discussed about the entry. Can you go through Eurusdjpy please? Yeah, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. So very good, thank you there, Mohanad, thank you very much. I hope and gold trade with you, coach. Thanks in advance. No problems, Mohanad, you're always welcome. So I want to take this one to the upside, which is coming the gold bounce upward after reaching the weekly resistance, coach. I think maybe, okay, very good. No, Darwin, you are right, you are right. That's very good. Euro dollar, very good, Dar, thank you. In the meantime, guys, if you are looking for a regulated broker, you can join EverTrade, link in the description. Also, I can give you a link. I can give you a link in the live chat. Already there is one here. You can click the link and then register for free to trade with a regulated broker. Okay. So I would recommend to use always a regulated broker. So once you click the link, register for free, start trading with minimum capital. So EverTrade is regulated, so your capital will be in the safe hand. Use EverTrade using our link will give you an advantage also. So make sure that if you are looking for regulated broker, you check that out. Any question also you'll be able to ask anytime. Okay, Angela. Yeah, the price normally does this. It will come back and forth. So trading like that, you need to be little bit of patience. Okay, patience is the key. Now you have seen our pre-London session trade. In fact, it has a massive drop on gold. That one also winning trade. You have seen that back to back, quite a few winning trades, and also that's why entered book profit with trial. Awesome, very good. Thanks, coach. No problems. Thank you, Ocean. You're welcome. You're welcome very much for being here. Awesome. So looks to me that gold, in fact, showing bullish price action as expected. Okay, I want to see it has broken this resistance zone and then moving towards the upside. Okay, so I'm in profit. I'm sure that anyone in this also profit. Also the same trade I have sent to the VIP students as well. So back to back two gold winning trades today. That's really good. Now if you want to trade with us, also join us in our VIP, where you will receive all the entries, stop loss and take profit trade that I'm receiving, and also learning our strategies to trade with us in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Any question, don't hesitate to ask me using the live chat. Once you go to the website, you'll be asked any question, will be answered. So Okay, while gold is running in profit, let it run. Let me see what others are doing. If we look at dollar yen, Aussie yen, okay, dollar yen, we see that there is a reversal. So we can see the dollar getting weaker, okay, with the dollar yen. That could lead gold to the upside, okay, because dollar and gold, as you know, that always inversely related. So because we see that weakness in dollar, we can expect strengthening in gold. Now if we look at the monthly, first of all, on dollar yen, we can see that this monthly candle on dollar yen, from bigger picture, this monthly candle is a wholehearted bullish candle from the monthly on dollar yen, okay. So if you look at this candle, this is a middleman on dollar yen, and I will wait for dollar yen to break towards the upside, okay. Before breaking out, what I think, it might come down for a deeper pullback. So that's why I'm not selling dollar yen. It will be against the trend. I'm a trend trader, as you know that trend trading is the most profitable trading strategy one can ever have. That's why my favorite trading strategy is our TF or trend following strategy. If we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective, dollar yen so far has a drop, which is expected for me. Once the price will drop, we might see that the price again going up for a deeper down. Now this is the daily on dollar yen, and we see that dollar yen coming down. I think that with that move, we might see that dollar yen breaking this swing low, okay. This is what I call the local breakdown, and then we could see that moving towards the upside. Now if you don't know what is a local breakdown, I last week also I have posted free content on YouTube channel. This week also I'll be releasing about how to be a profitable day trader during the London session and New York session time Saturday. Keep eye on, guys. You will be learning how I am trading as a day trader. Every tricks I have shared in a compacted video. So to access that, make sure you give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press that bell button so that you don't miss out on that. So I'll pause for 2 seconds. Let's see gold moving up as expected. Let me see what we can do with the gold trade. Okay, and so let me see. Yeah, I'm running in good profit. So if we look at the 5 minutes, we can see that typically bullish market structure is formed now. How many of you are running that gold trade? Let me know. Keep in mind, guys, everything here is only for educational purpose, so make sure that you use only your demo account to learn and to grow as a trader. So let me know how many of you are running that trade. I want to see how many are with me in that trade. So I want to take the full profit on this. As I mentioned yesterday, guys, I have a great news for you today, is that there is a massive discount for tonight to join Forex Trading Wizard Academy for NFP trading. So let me share that with you. There is a coupon available to join lifetime access plan with discounted for today only. So let me share that with you. Okay, so you can use that coupon to join lifetime access plan with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So you can use that coupon to learn and grow as a trader. Okay, so use that on your lifetime access plan. It's valid only for 24 hours. This is I know that many of you want to join us to be a part of trading community, probably didn't have that option yet, so I have given this opportunity is for those who are really interested to be part of this trading community. So let me see in the meantime. Okay, so you can't see me screen. All right, cool. Now you can see me. So let me give you that, share you that coupon on the live chat, guys. We see that gold is moving in the direction as expected. So okay, so I have shared that coupon with you on the live chat. Use that coupon to join lifetime access plan in Forex Trading Wizard Academy to be part of the trading community. And this is valid only for 24 hours. So take the opportunity right now to join lifetime access plan with us. So now we can see that gold trade that we have open is moving in that direction. Let me see, there is a candle close coming on the 1 hour, which in fact it's a massive long wick candle has formed. So the price, in fact, for me, as expected, this is a liquidity grab from the support, and the price, you know, has broken towards the upside. We can expect now a break to the upside on gold. If I look at in the meantime, gold is definitely bullish. Yeah, that's good, Angela, thank you very much. US30, you'll be looking at that. ENPRC, why today take buy entry. Yeah, we'll be discussing everything. All right, thanks for that. The blue, awesome. I'm also in the trade. Thank you, Don. Elizabeth, I mean, thank you. Motivations. Good evening. My analysis here is coming to it. You will be looking at that. So trend is your friend. Yeah, absolutely, the trend is your friend always. Euro dollar. So TP, awesome, thank you. So TP is set at 1973.83. so I want to hold the trade for full. Okay, after it breaks to the upside, we can move our stop loss at entry, so the trade become risk free. Michael, hello coach Michael, thank you very much. So we see that, you can see, this is the key to understand the smart money concept. Okay, in fact the market is moved by smart money. As you know that smart money, as a retail trader, even we can't move a peep. But if you know how the smart money trading in the market, it becomes much easier for you to trade, like the smart money. Now, as you can see, this dotted line that I have drawn, that I mentioned earlier, it is a smart money area. Okay. And if you don't know how the smart money trades, then I always talk about that there are 3 secrets to know in the market, is to learn the market structure, learn the price action, and know the liquidity. Liquidity is the fuel of the market. Okay, the price normally moves from liquidity to liquidity. So if you really want to be a pro trader, then understand these 3 things. And to help you on that journey, also this weekend on Saturday and Sunday in London session time, I will be releasing another very important day trading video, where you will be learning everything how to be a day trader in a simple 4 steps. So to access that, make sure you give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. So check if you have subscribed or not. I'll pause for 2 seconds so everyone have time to do that. Amazing, thank you. So now with that trade on gold, with this liquidity grab, the price has reached that resistance level. Yeah, the price action is bullish. I'm still expecting it to break towards the upside. Let's see how it is doing. Euro USD, yeah, absolutely. Is USD somehow related to gold? Yeah, absolutely. Euro dollar, you know, AUD USD, all related to gold. Yeah, euro dollar, you can see the same pattern. If you look at this 5 minutes chart on euro dollar, you can see that this pattern is exactly sometimes it happens to me, I forget the word, resemble, okay, resemblance with gold, okay, similar. If you look at that price action on gold with the euro dollar, you can see that they are, you know, mirror, like similar, not mirror is the other way around. So let me see. Okay. Okay, we see that spike to the upside. Okay, I'm running in good profit. All right, so it's going to the upside now, which is expected. And all right, so we see that movement happen. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna move my stop loss at entry, okay, because after that much of movement, I don't wanna, you know, lose that trade or, you know, come down to the drawdown. Now, depending on a situation, you can close if your position is bigger. It depends on how you manage your trade. You know, as a matter of fact, I cannot advise you what should you do with your trading account, but if I have a bigger account, then I would close half of the position. I would keep the half running. If I have a smaller position or a smaller account, then I would keep that running, but I'm gonna move my stop loss at entry. So now if you want to keep some profit with you in case if you are out of the trade, it depends on, you know, how you do. So if let's say running the full position, if it goes to the profit target, more profit, taking half might be reduce the size is smaller. It depends on, let's say if I have a 100k account, definitely I would take some profit because it's a big money. But if it is a smaller account, that I would say that, yeah, just I'll move the stop loss at entry and keep the trade running. All right, guys, so okay, we'll be looking at euro dollar to see. Okay, the price has moved, okay, from doji, which is a bullish price action. Okay, let it run. All right, so looking at the euro dollar now, euro dollar 4-hour price action to me is this is still bullish. Okay, the way the price action is formed, this one after this strong pin bar, euro dollar has formed this bullish candle. Okay, it's for me euro dollar because there is a monthly close, so you might see, you know, a bit more something like that, changing or, you know, marching with the bigger trend. And euro dollar, I think with that move at least we can expect this daily 20 MA to be retested, so that could lead euro dollar to the upside. Okay, for me it's bullish euro dollar from the 4-hour bigger picture. If you look at the monthly, we can see that the market tested this monthly important area. Now I'll create a video on this. It's a very important topic that I say that is station. You know what is a station? For example, if you, let's say, on a train, okay, well, let me see in the meantime what gold is doing. Okay, so which is moving in the direction gold, just looking at the trade. Okay, so gold set for uprise, right? We'll hold the trade for might be, yeah, we'll keep that on. All right, so what is that? Come on. Okay. Okay, so gold is almost nearly hitting our profit. So our profit is here. I should be able to see that zone. Okay, I'm running in profit. Okay, I'm sure that every one of you in the same boat. Guys, are you enjoying the profit? Let me know in the chat. Okay, so it's now almost 1.8 times, almost 1.9 times. Okay, so what I was saying is, what did I started to discuss? I lost my point. Yeah, the price has break the resistance, waiting for our TP. Thanks, no problems, thank you very much. Michael, amazing, thanks for that. Yeah, you can do that. Very good, awesome. Yeah, that's what we are enjoying, that profit on gold. I'm also running, yeah, also running profit in my account. So amazing, good job. That's good. 60 people, I mean, yeah, that's 600 points. That's a good gain. All right, so okay, in the meantime, I'll be looking at let me see. Now the reason I have posted here is highly likely the price will reach that daily 20 EMA. Okay, so okay, now with this is 1 hour candle, that's a long wick candle. The price might come to test this long wick, there is a probability. So what we're gonna do now, because our trade is risk free, we don't want to take us without anything. So what I'm going to do, I will still keep the trade running for the full profit, but in case coming for a spike, I will close half of the position. Okay, I'll close half of the position. because we could see there is a probability for the price to retest this level. We could not see, we could see continuation, or because you see that this is 1 hour candle, there is a massive rejection from the support. There is a probability for price to test this, this is an imbalance probability, or may come later. So I'm gonna close half, okay, half of the profit, the rest half will keep running, okay. So that I have something on my table, and the rest I'll keep running risk free. So the stop loss price, okay. So I'm risk free. I book some profit, the rest I will keep running. Okay, there is a probability for a retest. Okay, so there is a probability for us to come to test this 1 hour 20 EM again, or we could see still moving towards the upside after a little pullback. Let's see where we can find the next entry. still very strongly bullish. Okay guys, so let me look at other instrument in the meantime. Let me know in the chat which one you are looking at. So you see, okay, US30, absolutely, we'll be looking at that. Awesome. Outcome, thanks a lot, no problems. Michael, thank you very much. Just question, can you please explain again how you make this goal setup, and what are the things that you check before take final? John, little late. No problem, Devender. We'll be discussing in detail. I'll explain everything. So first let me look at US30 and we'll go back to the gold trade to review. Now US30, if I look at the daily, okay, looks to me that US30, as I mentioned earlier, this is the daily candle, which is in fact a bearish candle. After little pullback, we see the market is coming down. Now US30 for me, this is the daily chart, as you can see, and this is the resistance line, and we can see that the market was moving in this channel for a long time on the daily. Now whenever the price coming to that support being rejected, okay, and we saw the same thing, support rejected to the upside, and we saw that there is a rejection from the support, and on the resistance as well the price is doing the same thing. Now what we see that on US30 last day of trading week, from this resistance there is a back-to-back 3 days bearish candle. The previous day, this candle is a typically bearish candle because it has a healthy body and also long wick at the bottom, and highly likely that the market will drop towards the downside. And with that drop, what we can expect on US30, the price to come back down to break this low and to come back to this level, which is a very highly likely that US30 will continue to drop. As we see, this is a long-term bearish market. Now from the 4-hour perspective, from intraday, we can see that the market, this is the candle that is closing in 42 minutes and has a huge liquidity in it. Okay, this is the resistance line. You can see the price, this is the resistance. Every time the price hitting that level, okay, and getting rejected, hitting that level, getting rejected, you can see smooth resistance line. And from that resistance we can see that US30 has broken down, and this move on US30 is a liquidity grab. Okay, we saw that liquidity grab happen, also tested this significant support as a resistance, and from that zone we saw that US30 has a massive drop, rejection. Now with that rejection, what we see, the price tested, consolidated, again coming down. Now what we can expect on US30 for the price to drop back, continue to drop, and highly likely that we could see US30 may break from this channel and coming to this support level. Okay, so we'll be waiting for me it's a bearish candle. Okay, once the market close, like once the candle close, not the market, candle close, we'll wait for a retest and then we can look for potential selling opportunity. This one for me is a bearish price action. Now if we look at the NASDAQ a bit more different, but this one either could break down or could continue to rise up. Okay, probability to break, as I mentioned earlier, this line is still there, that it formed this head and shoulder. Now either it's a reversal or the price to continue. We'll see after, you know, breakdown. If we see breakdown, then you can look for selling opportunity on NASDAQ. So okay, gold, as I mentioned, has probably come down again for that purpose here. So from 1 hour, yeah, we might see that market again coming down to test this 1 hour 20 EMA. May come down, may not. Let's see. Okay guys, in the meantime, as you can see, today we had a awesome trade on gold, and there's quite a few trades coming up as NFP. So if you want to learn our strategies, I will explain now why did I open this trade, and then you learn from it. And also, if you want to be part of our trading community, there is a rare opportunity today. Only for 24 hours, there is a discount going on for NFP. For those who want to trade NFP as well as stay with us for a long time, you can join using that coupon, which is incredible for lifetime. You can use that in your lifetime checkout and join us to learn our strategies, to trade with us, to be part of trading community, and to access all the trading tools that we have now. You can see gold. Let me tell you why did I open that trade, so that guys you can copy that trade. You can understand, you know, why I have opened that trade. Now if you look at this market on the 5 minutes, first of all, when the price was dropping, you remember that I was saying that the price is likely to come here and to reject data. Now what did I look at? First of all, if you look at the multi-time frame approach from daily, okay, daily price action is very, very important. This is where I, you know, placed highest value, okay, daily price action, because when I look at daily, it gives me always a very clear idea of how the market might be moving. Because, you know, if you look at the monthly, weekly, they will give you an idea, but daily is neither too high, you know, too big time frame, not too small, which is a very, very good timing for potential to see which way the market will be heading. So from daily, what did I look at? See where I looked at here. Okay, you can see previous day there is a middleman that has a long wick at the top, and highly likely that today the price will go up. This is where I made my mind before that the gold is going to be bullish. And once we saw that this market has crossed this daily low and then, you know, has a rejection, this is where we can see that the market in fact made it moves towards the upside. And because it is in a bullish move, the price grabbed liquidity from the support level. We have seen that on the 15 minutes, once the price dropped back to the support zone, this is where I have called for the trade. And you can see that this is where, if you look at 5 minutes, you can see potential trading opportunity along this zone currently. Now once this candle form, this is where in this live session, you remember. Now what did I looked at in that price action? Okay, now this is where we see this candle is the one that I have entered exactly like that, right? Now what did I look at? Firstly, I looked at the smart money area. Okay, smart money, this is where the smart money, okay, bought with this inverted head and shoulder. The price has come back down to test that level. Okay, and this is where we saw that the market moved. Now as I mentioned, that to be successful as a trader must know how the smart money in trading. The trade that I have entered is based on the smart money concept, and every strategy that I use, I include smart money component in it, the liquidity. Okay, smart money, who real trader, who are the bigger investor, they trade based on liquidity. There is a reason behind it. The reason is their one smart money trader is equivalent to maybe 1,000 or more than that retail trader. So because they need a bigger volume to trade, they they need to trade based on liquidity, because otherwise they cannot place their order in the market. It's very, if you pay attention, then you'll understand exactly why. Is because when the market is moving, there has to be a transaction between buyers and sellers. Always there has to be a transaction. If you place, let's say, when you are placing an order in the market, on the other side someone needs to willing to be buy it. So you say, you send sell, someone needs to place a buy order on the other side. So when a smart money putting a huge investment on the market, okay, one retail trader, two retail trader will not be able to hold that order, so they need a bigger volume, and because of that they look for the liquidity zone. And the smart trader, retail trader who are profitable, they are very smart. You have to be smart. In fact, you have to be smarter than the smartest. That's why you see that most retail traders lose account money. But as a smart trader, you know that how to trade, and this is why we create the market wizard, okay, in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, so that you also know how to trade like the smart money when you are trading. This is the main goal, is to create an identity of a trader so that they can trade based on the smart money traders. So because of that, this is where the entry, and we have seen, in fact, gold has made its move, still moving in the direction again, forming the bullish structures. We are still on a trade. The second half, first half is close to its profit, and I want to keep that running. I'm expecting it to move, or after the spike to continue to rise. So we'll keep that running on, and let's see how it does. And in the meantime, if you want to join us also, you can join us, link in the description. There is a discount going on today for NFP, so use that coupon to join the lifetime access plan, so that you can be part of the trading community for the rest of your life. So we saw that from that zone, the prices formed the structure and created that move. So to understand this kind of trade, so that you can take, you need to look at the market structure, liquidity, price action, and having a trading strategy that consider all of them is the key. All right. NASDAQ, yeah, absolutely. Sophia, can you look at NZD USD? Absolutely, thank you. Coach MH60, awesome, very good. Yep, that's an awesome act. So let me see. Okay. We have looked at NASDAQ. Let me see which one. NZD USD. So all of them, NZD USD, you see the bullish. So in nutshell, they always move almost in the same direction. Okay, so NZD USD, if I look at bigger picture monthly, now today is the first yeah, Adrian, yeah, absolutely, we do daily live twice. Okay, and also there is a there's a lot of analysis, regular content is being released. Okay, yeah, we do. So we see that from NZD USD, what we see that from this support level, the price, this is today's monthly candle closed as a long bearish candle. And what we have seen that NZD USD, the price, once the market open, tested this support and then rejecting. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I forgot to point that out, is that this is what I called a station. So what is a station is, for example, when you see a candle like that, all right, and now there are some zone, okay, specific area where you see the market, the price will come, test and bounce. Okay, here, these are the zone that price will come and test and bounce and move. This I called a station. So I'll give a station map from trend and candlestick perspective. I will be releasing also that one for free on YouTube. Okay, where you can expect the bounce. Now you can see NZD USD is doing the same things, bouncing from that station. Okay, station is like if you ride a train, you can't ride in the middle, you need to go either station B or station C, something like. The price normally travel from one station to the other. So I'll do a because in this live session short time may not be able to explain, so I'll create a separate video on this one. So make sure you subscribe and stay connected. So we see that from this monthly bearish candle on NZD USD, we see that from this level the price has a bounce, okay, from half of this support. Now what I think that because the market already monthly close, we might see now a deeper pullback to the upside. Now that pullback could be this level, or it could go back to this level or even higher than this. Okay, so there is a, if you look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly so far the price has come down. Okay, and it's forming a long week candle here on the weekly. I think that on the weekly close we might see that bit more upside. There is a long consolidation on the weekly. You can see the price is broken out of the consolidation. We can expect the price to rise to the upside. Now from the daily, you can see that price, this is a very strong bearish on the daily, has formed a narrow consolidation. We have seen another drop. Now we can expect from the daily the price to move towards the upside again to grab. So this is the daily bearish price action on NZD USD. What I'm expecting is for the price to go ahead, because it's an overextended to the downside, we might see that further move on the daily. So from the 4-hour perspective, we can see that NZD USD now is moving towards the upside, and I think it will break to the upside, even may reach that zone, so which is bullish on NZD USD. Okay, gold is going to hit our profit target, guys. Let me see. Yep, you're almost there. Okay, so we a little bit apart from here. So I will move my stop loss now here to secure some more profit on this. Okay, so that it's almost nearly hitting the profit target, but I want to move my stop loss here at 1965.63 before hitting the TP. Okay, so I move my stop loss a bit up to secure some more profit. Okay guys, how many of you is still running the trade? Let me know in the chat. I know that VIPs are running because the same trade was sent to the VIP as well. It's all about scalping. Yes, yeah, thanks for much explanation again. Thank you very much. Yep, absolutely. Trian, thanks. Okay, so you're gonna see that the market is giving the full TP hit. So this is almost 2.5 times trade, which is in fact a good risk to reward, right? Okay, so with that said, let me see. So we are almost in the TP. Let it run. In the meantime, okay, AUD USD also. So you see that DXY dropping down again with the monthly close. So we see that AUD USD also showing that bullish pattern. With the euro dollar bullish. Just looking at all of them quickly, guys. GBP CAD also has formed a strong bullish price action. It's gold. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, because the price on a very important level of resistance, so I'll take the profit out of the table fully. I'll close the trade, so reach more than 2 times. Okay, because you can see it's around resistance. We might see another spike, but you can see which reached almost 2 times profit, which is enough for us. This is in a resistance, so you could see some deeper drop. Okay, so you're out of gold trade with good profit. Let's keep that on, and let me see now as a candle closing on 4 hour in 20 minutes. Let me see what it is trying to do. And also you see that your NASDAQ slowly trying to create downside. And US30, okay. Just looking at dollar CAD. Now dollar CAD, this is the daily candle, okay, yesterday. That is in fact a very strong bearish price action in USD CAD, okay, with a strong rejection from the resistance from this long bearish candle, followed by we saw that today after a little pullback we have seen the price started to drop, and with the drop I think dollar CAD, if you look at the weekly, you can see that we might see dollar CAD again coming back to the support zone. If you look at the monthly, once the monthly candle close, what we see that USD CAD has formed a monthly candle that has a lower high and higher low, which is an inside bar. Now with that inside bar, what we saw that the market, once the market opened after a little pullback, the market started to drop in that direction. So if we look at the weekly price action, we can see that from the weekly, lower high and has a rejection. Now if we look at the daily on USD CAD, after this strong rejection, there's another daily candle, and we can expect the price to come down, okay, to this level where there is the previous resistance turn support here. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that here on dollar CAD, this is a reversal here, okay, and the price breaking down. I think that this market may continue to drop in that level, okay. We could see the price has dropped back to that level, and then we might see the different direction. So for the time being, USD CAD, high probability that the price may come back to this support zone, okay. We saw that possible breakdown from this level, so we could see further down on dollar CAD. So going back to gold again, okay. So we see that gold in fact has moved significantly in that direction as expected. Now for the next move on gold, I think it's gonna hit that daily 20 EMA, and then we could see that rejection from that level. So there's an imbalance in that area. we will see that hit on the daily 20 EMA, which is also below this long wick candle, which is the weekly support and resistance. So we see this is the 1 hour chart. We can see that the market in fact has made this move. Let's see. No, it's gonna hit that daily 20 EMA exactly as expected. And with that hit, can look at GU. Yeah, absolutely. Helen, GU. Yeah, absolutely. So is there any fall dollar Swiss franc? We'll be looking at that. So gold, we see that the market in a zone where you can expect that movement. Now if we look at GU, it's almost the same as gold. Bullish, you can see that if we look at the daily on GBpusd, we saw that there is a bullish candle today. So far, after little pullback, the market has broken towards the upside, and GBpusd in fact with this liquidity grab. Let's look at the bigger picture, looking at the monthly on GBpusd. Now from the monthly, we can see that GBpusd from the support has a movement towards the upside. Now if we look at overall picture on GBpusd, we can see this with this movement, correction movement. The price is forming a structure. You can see this is this monthly candle for me is also a bullish candle. Why? Because if you compare with the other monthly candles, let's say this one here, this is a bullish engulfer followed by another bullish candle. What about this one? This one has a long wick at the bottom, so long wick at the top, right? So long wick bottom represent that whenever the prices come back to this support, there's a buying happen, and because of that, in comparison with the other monthly candle, is a bullish candle. So as a result, we can expect now the price to move towards the upside. This is how normally, looking at the price action, seeing the direction of the trend, and then predicting the market accurately. This is the goal of this academy, to help the traders so that they can predict in the same way. You can do that too. Just one thing that you need to make sure that you are patient to learn and to grow as a trader. Now with that movement, now what we see that GBpusd is now heading towards the upside. I think that the price highly likely will break this resistance again, which is very highly likely to happen. Now if you look at the weekly, you can see that from the support has a bounce. Now we can expect this price to continue to rise as well. Looking at the daily, so we are aligning with the higher time frame from the daily, which is also a bullish market. So from the lower time frame, we can see the GBPUSD with this consolidation change its trend from downtrend to an uptrend, and I think that in that way we could see that GU has hit that resistance zone again to the upside. Okay, so for me, I might find an entry as NFP is coming. We should be able to find entry today, tomorrow, and as soon as I will find that entry, I'll be straight send the trade to the VIPs as well as I'll be trading. Now if you want to trade them also with us, there is a link in the description area. You can visit the website. Also there's a 24-hour NFP sale is going on. You can use the coupon in the lifetime access plan and join us to learn our strategies to trade NFP and to be part of the trading community. Also, let me give you the coupon on the live chat. You can use that for 24-hour to be able to get the special discount for NFP. So you can use that coupon I have given on the live chat. Use that to sign up and to learn our strategies to join Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So now, you know, GBPUSD has broken towards the upside. We need to see a bit more slower pullback than we can expect to go long again on GBPUSD. Going back to gold again to see, we see that market in fact also like the GBPUSD gold also breaking to the upside, and highly likely it will break the daily resistance zone, and then we might see later a movement towards the downside. Okay, no problems, Mark. That's awesome. Yeah, that's fine. Thanks for your appreciation. Yeah, we will have more, you know, if this is where you know you'll be learning and growing as a trader. And the only thing that, you know, a trader needs the intention. As you know, the intention creates the results. Okay, we think that, you know, there is a saying in Napoleon Hill's book that desire creates the result. Desire is kind of, the language is different, but the way we see desire and intention completely different. Okay, now, you know, Napoleon Hill said that desire is actually, he tried to say the intention, but if we literally take the desire in this modern sense, desire actually will put you back, not in the front. The reason is, you know, the way our mind perceive everything. When we desire, we actually express lack. Okay, and this is where most people fail to achieve anything in their life, not only in every aspect of our life. It's not understanding actually how we are thinking inside our mind. Because when we are, you know, if we desire, for example, what is the meaning difference between desire and intention is that, let's say you want something, okay, very special in your life, and you desire it. Okay, so when you desire, that means that you actually thinking that you don't have that. In fact, you don't have, right? But when you don't have that and you desire, that's because everything you want, first we need to have it before it is coming to us. This is the secret that anyone knows it can change their life dramatically. Keep in mind. So when we desire, we say to the reality that I don't have that. Okay, so that means that you are sending a signal to the universe that you are in lack, and when you are in lack, you find more and more things in your life that will confirm. That's why you have to be in an abundant, or you have to have abundance before you have that. Now I know that it sounds a bit more unrealistic, but this is how every successful people in everything manifest anything in life. Because as a matter of fact, everything you want is already there. It's already there. So when you have it, before you have it, you actually tuning into that reality already is there, and you need to persist on that zone for extended period of time. And then extended means like a little more time, and then it's gonna come to you, no doubt about it. So this is how, you know, anything can change anyone. That's why intention creates the results. Okay, so when you have an intention, okay, I'm gonna be a profitable trader no matter what. Okay, I want to be a day trader or a swing trader, I'm gonna be profitable no matter what. It's gonna happen unless you quit. This is what the most retail trader quit very early. So as long as you are not quitting, you are a profitable trader. Gbpusd, we absolutely look at the nice on gold. Thanks, no problems. We'll be looking at that. So let's look at the gold on daily. Okay, so it's forming, it's approaching that resistance zone. We may not see the reversal, but we could see some up and down spike, and we'll be looking at that. So let me look at now on Gbpusd. It's an important pair. So GJ, if we look at the daily, which is bullish. Now Gbpusd is a long-term bull market, as you know that this is in fact very strongly bullish market. If you look at the monthly on Gbpusd, you can see that this market, from the monthly perspective, this is the monthly support and has a massive bounce towards the upside. If we look at the weekly, also bullish, an impulse correction, it is in another impulsive phase. Weekly candle is almost nearly close, and we can expect the price to continue to rise. Now if we look at the daily, from the daily perspective, you can see the price, this is the impulse consolidation, acceleration, another impulse consolidation, and we can expect another impulse towards the upside on Gbpusd. Now from the lower time frame on GJ, we see that the market, this current candle just tested this neckline of this previous support, previous resistance, turn support here on Gbpusd. Okay, this is a very important liquidity zone, and we can see the market slowly moving towards the upside. So this is a high liquidity area, previous resistance, turn support here on GJ, and from that level we see that the market slowly, you know, rejecting, and we can expect on Gbpusd this resistance support, we can expect to go bullish. And yeah, so we see that there is a massive liquidity gap here and an impulse consolidation, liquidity gap, reversal. I think GJ, we should be able to see that bullish move. Suddenly we have seen that, you can see suddenly big drop. That's an interesting fact. You can see the 5 minutes. It happens sometime. As I mentioned that before NFP, the market is very volatile. So you see that okay, gold has bounced. Okay, so you saw that the breakout on gold. With the daily 20 EMA test, we have seen that so the price has tested the daily 20 EMA and the market became very volatile from that place. Just looking at all of them. CAD CHF, I mentioned earlier, after a pullback, we see the market is still maintaining bullish price action. See what all are they doing. Okay, euro dollar has expected has a movement, including GBP CAD. Okay, so we saw that from the daily 20 EMA, gold has a bounce. We might see now a bit break towards the downside. Because it's bounced from the daily 20 MA. Might see the price coming down again for deeper pullback. Yeah, from the daily 20 MA rejection coming down. As I mentioned, there is an imbalance here. We might see the prices coming down to fill that imbalance. In the meantime, thanks coach, I have enjoyed the gold trade. Geoffrey, thank you very much for that. 2 gold trade, thank you, no problems, thanks, awesome. I did re-entry gold 1973, very good. Yeah, Euro USD moving up. Euro dollar, yeah, we saw that Euro dollar GBP USD, they are showing bullish. Okay, now on gold we saw that rejection coming due to the daily 20 MA retest. Okay, and what I think that because it tested the daily 20 MA, rejecting means that we might see again upside after coming down. If we look at the 1 hour, I will be going long again once I will see the price feel that imbalance. There is an imbalance here. You can see this is the 1 hour 20 MA zone. Along this zone, once you see the 5 minutes price action giving me potential bullish, if I see the price has managed to drop to that level, which is highly likely to happen as well, I will go long again later, because you know that the market when gives opportunity, why shouldn't we take it? This is how trading is, you know. When the market is not giving opportunity, be patient. When the market giving opportunity, take the opportunity. This is how the opportunity seeker as a trader, you know, that this is the most important part of understanding when to enter and when not to, when to be patient. Okay, so yeah guys, I strongly believe that you guys are enjoying this live session. In the meantime, if you are looking for regulated broker, our recommended broker is EverTrade. I'm giving a link. There's a link in the description to join EverTrade or register for free. Also, I'm giving a link in the live chat. You can use that link, register for free, and then you can start trading with a regulated broker. As NFP coming tomorrow, there is an opportunity to join us in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy in a lifetime access plan with a discounted price only for 24 hour. You can join that, use that coupon to join lifetime access, to be part of the trading community, to learn our strategies and also to trade with us. Okay guys, so with that said, I'm gonna end this session. Again, I will come on live twice tomorrow. NFP, make sure you hold on to it. NFP is the big week and we are doing very well. I'm sure that you guys also enjoying with it, and I want to see tomorrow again some more trades coming up. Along the way, I will be watching still the price action for the rest of the New York session before I end my trading day, and I will start again next day. Thank you. I'll see you soon again. Hopefully that you enjoyed, and give a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done yet, and I'll see you